안녕하세요, 사가입니다.
Analuimnida
And this is our tribute for you, Kiss.
from Kismi Cebu,
Philippines!
Okay, here it goes. Without you,
I will never be this inspired.
I always think about you.
Every day.
No words can explain how much. No more jo.
Amazing, right?
Someday, I know we'll meet, and by that time,
Jega ori jiga na anymore, and nobody could take me away.
nor tell me to stop, girl, from loving you. When you're down, we always want to comfort you and tell you that, okay, it's okay.
This might be considered as forbidden love, but we
Believe, a
miracle could happen.
how I wish I could be
Your
yours,
Cinderella.
even just until the clock sounds tick tock, at
Ding, 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 ding.
0330 because
You are alone.
inside of me, even if the world turns
Bingo, 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 bingo.
we
We
swear
swear we keep on standing still.
with
Every single one of you in Neverland for 영원히 늘 영원히
사랑합니다, you kiss. Happy 5th anniversary. Mahal namin kayo.
안녕.
안녕.